Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will start with 13th chapter Pythagoras theorem. Now let's see the inventor of this theorem. Now this theorem is invented by the Pythagoras. Clear? That is why this theorem is named as Pythagoras theorem. Now who is Pythagoras? Pythagoras was a great Greek mathematician and a philosopher. Clear? So this Pythagoras has invented this theorem. In his theorem, what he has proved? In his theorem, he has proved that in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now let's see how the Pythagoras proved his theorem. Now see, here what he has proved that the two sides are equal to the third sides. Now first of all we will see what is hypotenuse. Clear? Now what is hypotenuse? Now a side which is opposite to your right angle, that side is known as your hypotenuse. Clear? Now here, which angle is your right angle? Here angle ABC is your right angle. So which side is opposite to your right angle? That is side AC. It means that side AC is your hypotenuse. Why side AC is your hypotenuse? Because side AC is opposite to your right angle. Clear, everyone? Now AB is your height, BC is your base. So Pythagoras has proved that in right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Clear? Now this Pythagoras theorem is applicable only in the right angle triangle. Clear, everyone? Now you can prove the Pythagoras theorem by using the formula, that is hypotenuse square equal base square plus height square. Clear? So you can prove the theorem by using this formula. Now let's see practice set 48. Number 1. In the right angle triangle PQR, angle P is 90 degree if length PQ is 24 centimeter and length PR is 10 centimeter. Find the length of segment QR. So students, what we have to do in this, here triangle PQR is given, length P is given 90 degree, angle P is given 90 degree, length PQ is 24. So first we have to draw a right angle triangle. Clear? Now we have to mark over here. Now see how you will give the names. Here the angle P is given 90 degree. So you will mark like this. P you will take here P, Q and R. Understood? Now what is the length of PQ? That is 24 centimeter. So here we will write down 24 centimeter. Understood? Length PR is given 10. So PR is 10 centimeter. So write down here 10 centimeter. Understood? Find the length of segment QR. We have to find out the length of this segment QR. Means we have to find out the hypotenuse over here. Clear? So see how you will going to find out this. Now how you will going to find out the hypotenuse? By Pythagoras theorem. Clear? You have to use the Pythagoras theorem and you have to find out the hypotenuse. Now what will be your formula? Now here your formula will be, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So here we will write down the name of the hypotenuse. Now which side is your hypotenuse? Here length QR is your hypotenuse. So QR square. Clear? Is equal to, which one is your base? PQ is your base. So here we will write down length PQ square plus, which one is your height? Here PR is your height. So length PR square. So this is our formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus length square. Clear? Now what is the length PQ is given. PQ is given 24. So here you will write down 24 square. Plus what is the length of PR? PR is 10. So here you will write down 10 square. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the square of 24. Now what is the square of 24? 24 into 24. You will get 576. And what is the square of 10? 10 tens are, you will get 100. Now add this 576 plus 100. What you will get? You will get that is 676. Understood? Now you have to find out the square of 676. So what you will get? The square of 676 you will get that is 26 centimeter. Understood? Therefore, what is the length of QR? The length of QR is 26 centimeter. Understood? How you will going to find out? Question number 5. In the figures below, find the value of x. Now students, in this figure we have to find out the value of x. So let's see. Now see question number 2. Now here we have to find out the value of x. Clear? So let's first find out our hypotenuse, base and height. Now the opposite side of your right angle is known as your hypotenuse. So which side is opposite to your right angle? That is PR. The side PR is opposite to your right angle. So PR is your hypotenuse. Clear everyone? Then QP will be your base and QR will be your height. Height we have to find out. So let's use our Pythagoras theorem and find out the height. So here we will write down by Pythagoras theorem. So what will be our formula? Our hypotenuse is PR. So length PR square is equal to our base is QP. So QP square plus our height is QR. So length QR square. Now our hypotenuse is given, that is 41 square. QP base is given, that is 9 square. Now length QR, our height is not given, that we have to find out. So we will write down QR as it is. Clear? Now we have to find out the square. What is the square of 41? That is 1681. Square of 9, 81. Plus length QR will come as it is. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to take this 81 on the right hand side. So addition will become subtraction. So 1681 minus 81 is equal to length QR square. So if you will subtract 1681 with 81, what you will get? You will get 1600 is equal to length QR square. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the square root. Clear? Now what is the square root of this 1600? That is 40. It means the length QR is 40. Understood? How you will going to find out this? Clear? Thank you.